That's so sweet. Oh my God, that's so
All good?
sweet. That's so
What's
sweet.
your name?
Sampada.
Sam Ryan.
What's your name?
Ryan. Thank you. Nice
you
meeting
so
you.
much. What's your name?
Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. Thank
you.
you. Thank you so much.
Cool. That's cool. That's cool. I like that.
The photo is not too.
That's
good, man.
amazing. That's amazing photo.
Oh, really?
Brother, you're talented.
Oh, take a photo. Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Mumotor muna tayo ngayon kasi tagal na nga hindi natin nagagamit siya, kaya kailangan talaga natin gamitin. So may pupuntahan lang tayo. Let's go. Sana magbumuhos yung ulan kasi kita nyo sobrang dilim. Mayayari talaga tayo kapag bumuhos. Although meron naman ng kapote, pero iba pa rin yung hindi umuulan, di ba? Mas masarap mag-drive. Grabe, sobrang lamig. Ako naka-doubling jacket ako ngayon. Let's go. Oh. Lamig. Wow. Pasok na pasok yung hangin sa katawan ko. Sobrang tahimik talaga dito. Pagka andito ka guys, grabe, sobrang malaking adjustment kapag andito ka na sa Australia. Kasi tulad yan, tahimik yung street. Unlike katulad sa Pilipinas, sobrang kahit anong oras ang daming tao, lalo na sa Manila. Tapos dito guys, yung mga street ay yung mga parang intersection, merong mga ganan, mga roundabout. Yan, katulad nito, meron talagang mga roundabout. Ayun o, ganyan yung ano mo, yate. Tapos yung mga tao dito guys, mahilig sa fishing, mga yate sa bahay. Ayan, ito meron ulit, roundabout, diba? Para safe nga naman. Iwas sa banggaan ito. Ayan o, yate, bagong bago pa o. Ito mayroon din. Yan, kahit hindi siya talagang gitnang intersection, mayroong nakalagay na ano, semento sa gitna. Ito mayroon din, di ba? So dito kapag kalinggo, meron nakapwestong ano, mobile speed camera. Kaya ingat-ingat talaga. Simple lang yung mga bahay dito guys. Or depende siguro sa area. Yung ibon dun sa gitna. Tuwing umaga yan, maraming ibon dyan. Siguro may nagbibigay ng pagkain. Kaya dyan sila lagi sa gitna. Nagmumuis yung helmet ko. Sa sobrang lamig. Ate naka-scooter.
Then you tore apart what we had, replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again? And do you even know?
6:45 ng umaga dito guys. Punta tayo ng Parramatta. Gagi, 60 lang pala.
Gotta deal with all this pain. You can never say that I didn't care.
Wala kasing camera.
Broke up and keep sweating.
Porsche sports car, ang dami.
Guess it's easy to say I had you under a spell, so you don't need to take a hard look at yourself.
Cybertruck.
Just keep running and show no remorse.
Guys, malapit na tayo sa Parramatta.
You called me crying and begging to pick you up. Was that just you making use of my foolish love? 'Cause when I gave you what you need,
6:51.
stand on your own 2 feet.
Shopping muna tayo ng maaga. Delivered.
What we had replaced me with a stranger.
Malapit na ako guys sa ating sadya dito sa Westfield Parramatta Mall. So yung sadya ko lang naman talaga dito yung camera shop. Veggie Direct. Meron kasi akong in-order. Matagal na. Tanungin natin kung dumating na ba yung order ko. Ito, gusto kong bilhin to. Black. Kano kaya yan? Printer, maganda rin yan ha. Maliit lang pala. Pero pag nakikita ko sa Facebook, sobrang laki. So, pasa tayo sa loob, tara. Insta360 X3. Malaki pala talaga yung ano, X4. Tsaka mabigat siya. Tingnan nyo. Sobrang laki nga ano. Kapag nilagay mo sa selfie stick, hindi kaya mababali yun. X4 oh. Wow. Gas-gas. Tatanggal ko. Okay na ako sa X3. Magaan siya. Maliit, di ba?
I can do it for 190, but I can't do it for another price point.
Right. It's a good deal. Thank
You want it?
Yeah. I take them. So yun guys, dumating na yung order natin ito.
Alright, and you need this obviously as well.
Yes. And also, bumili na rin ako ng printer. Mas malaki siya kumpara dun sa dati ko. Kaya gastos na naman tayo. Hirap talaga kapag sabi ko nung dati isang lens lang ang bibilhin ko, pero wala napadagdag na naman tayo. Okay lang. Libangan naman natin siya. So ayan na nga, na-pick up na natin yung order natin. Ayan. So after ilang minutes na pag-aantay doon, kain muna tayo kasi nakakagutom. Yung order ko kasi hindi pa nila na-input sa kanilang system, kaya inaayos pa, kaya medyo natagalan ang pag-pick up natin. So anyway, tara, kain muna tayo. Ito yung order ko. Tapos may kasama tayong drinks. Chicken curry. Let's go!
So yun nga mga idol, no, habang nagpapahupa tayo ng ating kinain ay sinimulan ko na i-unbox itong aking order na lente para sa aking camera. Ang lens nga pala na to guys ay Sigma brand, 100 to 400mm, f5-6.3 DG/DN US contemporary lens, L-mount. Dahil hindi naman tayo professional na photographer, binilhan ko na rin pala ng lens protector ang aking lens. Ang brand niya ay Hoya Fusion. Hindi naman top of the line, pero malaking tulong to para sa ating lens kasi hindi siya magagasgasan. So ayan na nga, bago natin gamitin ay kinabit ko muna ang ating lens protector. Bali, ang price niya pala ay 67 AUD. Ang lens na to ay zoom lens. So ayan, tinatry ko kung paano pahabain ang lente na to. Ayan. Pinipihit lang pala. Sa sobrang excited ko, hindi ko na nabasa ang manual. Ganyan ang itsura niya kapag naka full zoom. At kapag ayaw mo namang pihitin, pwede mo naman siyang hilain papalayo sa'yo para humaba. Ganun lang siya. Kapag hindi naman naka-zoom, ganito lang siya kahaba. At kinabit na rin natin ang lens cap. Protection naman yan para sa araw. So kapag wala ng sikat ng araw, pwede mo naman siyang baliktarin. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. At sinimulan na nga natin baklasin ang ating lumang lens. Ito ay 85mm Lumix brand. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang taas ng lente ay talagang dumoble ang haba, no? Kumpara sa ating lumang lens. At ang bigat ng lens na to ay 1,180 grams. So 1 kilo and 180 grams. Medyo may kabigatan kung araw-araw mong gagamitin, pero kaya naman.
First time natin i-try yung lens natin. Excuse me, I'm practicing photography and I want to give this
Alright,
photo for you for free.
thank you.
You're good? It's my first time to try.
It was really nice. They have Instagram or something. It's all good.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Watch out for the cars.
First time natin, no? Kinabahan ako. Dito ako sa labas ng Westfield para Mata Mall. Ang bigat pala nitong lens na to. First time natin gamitin. 1.2 kilo. Bit mo ganito. Tapos nahulog, no? Patay. Kaya babalik ako doon. Bibili ako ng strap. Single strap. Ito kasi sa gabal eh. Ang hirap hawakan. Bili tayo ng dito lang sa try natin. Napagod ako. Ganda ng babaeng yan eh. No? Nakalimutan ko lang kunin yung pangalan niya. Wala eh. Kinabahan na naman ako eh. Hindi ko alam kung ano sasabihin. Natamimi na naman ako. So hanap ulit tayo ng mga bagong subject dito. First time natin mag-print, no? Ang ganda niya. Lapit na ako guys. Grabe, konting lakad pa lang, pagod na ako. Dito tayo, pasok tayo sa loob. So yun guys, nakabili na ako ng panibagong strap. Ito. Ayan, napalitan na natin yung strap. At ito na siya. Ito na yung bagong strap oh. Quick release. Yan, tatanggal ka agad, di ba? Mas kunti lang yung sa gabal. Yung sa isa kasi sobrang sa gabal niya. Ang problema, wala akong nabiling battery ng printer. Kailangan ko pang umorder sa Shopee o di kaya sa Lazada. Dito lang siya kinakabit guys. Yan. Quick release yan. Tapos gagantuhin mo lang pag gusto mong tanggalin. O, diba? Mas madali. O, dito mag-iikot-ikot tayo sa area ng Paramatang yan. Ano, makuha tayong target. Ito lang, oh. Let's go. I'm ready. Ikot tayo dito sa Paramata. Mas madali siyang hawakan. Walang sagabal na mga wire-wire dyan. Uy, ang daming tao dito sa Paramata Square. Anong meron kaya? Labo.
Sana all.
Bigla silang nawala. Epic fail. Saan pumasok? Saan na yun? Ang bilis na maglakad. Sablay.
Are you gonna click us as well?
You want to? That is okay?
Pose.
1 sec.
Can we take a look? Is it beautiful or beautiful?
Of course.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Both of you are beautiful.
How can we get these pictures?
I'll post it on my Instagram.
Oh, you post on your Instagram?
Is this alright for you?
Yeah.
I'm still learning my photography. Yeah.
Skills.
Biglang nawala, may dumating na panibago, di ba? Import image. Hi, sorry, sir.
No, it's fine.
Sorry.
Cool pictures.
Thank you. I already got the picture. I already printed.
Have a great day.
Thank you. Drive safe. Drive safe.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I'm doing a stranger's photography. I want to give it to you for free.
I'm doing this.
Free. For free. I take photo in the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Nakita ko ulit sila. Already? Yeah.
Oh my God,
This is for you and for you.
that's so sweet. Oh my God, that's so
All good?
sweet. That's so
What's your name?
Sampada.
Sam Ryan.
What's your name?
Ryan. Thank you. Nice meeting
so
you.
much. What's your name?
Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You good?
That's so sweet of you.
It's okay. I will upload it in my social media.
Yeah. That's
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, di ba? Tuwan-tuwa sila. I'm still practicing my photography, so sorry if my shot's not good.
That's alright.
I'll show my shot.
Ooh. That's cold. I like that. What do it look like that?
I'm still learning, brother. Sorry.
No, it's pretty good. Damn, I didn't know you took that many.
Let me see, man.
Wow. You just look happy today, bro.
3 of you.
It's nice.
You good?
Yeah, that was nice. Thank you, bro. Good luck, man.
Nice meeting you. ano, na picturean sila kasi gusto nila. Sabi niya, pares tayo ng jacket. Oo nga, pares kami ng jacket eh.
Then you tore apart what we had. Replaced me with a stranger in your bed. How will I ever trust you again? And do you even understand the hurt that you caused now runs through my veins? And I gotta deal with all this pain. You can never say that I didn't care, 'cause you're the one that broke our pinky swear.
One second. Oh, good.
Show me.
I'm still learning now. It's blurry. That's why I don't know how to.
Can you send it to me? Show me. How do you send it?
I post in my Instagram,
What's your Instagram?
Altamoto TV.
I'll shout you out. I have 20,000 followers. I swear. Do you want us to shout you
I don't have enough follower. Only like 100.
Follow you. Okay, what's your
Alta. Al.
L
ALTA.
T-E? What's that?
A.
What, you just do photography?
I'm still learning, practicing.
Nice. What's this camera? Is that recording us?
This one is Insta360. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, can you, I'll follow you. Can you post it here and we get the photo?
Yeah, sure. I send it to you. But the photo is not too.
That's amazing. That's amazing photo.
Oh, really?
Brother, you're talented. Oh, take a photo of them.
I'm still learning.
See those two girls? Take a photo of them. Take a photo. Take photo. Quick, take photo. Quick.
They don't know. They don't like it.
No, they like it. They love it. They always love it. Have a good day, brother.
You too. See you soon. Nice meeting you, brother. Bye. Ang pangit, blurred. Ang hirap pala pag gabi.